In this video I'll show you how to find your trigger points. Now, science have found that myofascial trigger points are trigger points for short, tender lumps within tight bands of muscle that shoot pain when you're pressing them. Now, they cause the muscles to be tight, and they're a major cause of fatigue and most musculoskeletal pain syndromes such as back, neck and shoulder pain. Now, I'll link to more info about them. Now, trigger points don't show up in medical scans or tests, so your doctor usually won't find them, but you'll easily find them using the simple techniques I'll show you. Now, first, you need to know where to look, and for that we have charts like these that show you where the common trigger points are and where they shoot pain to. Now, in the description I'll link a heap of articles that show you where to look for various conditions. Now, once you know where to look, you can either do an examination with your fingers or with a vibration massager. Now, I'll demonstrate both on my forearm so it's easy to see. Now, using my fingers first, I use the flats of my fingers to generally examine the muscle, looking for parts that feel a bit tight or tender. And if I find anything a bit suspicious, I'll use the tips of 1 or 2 fingers to examine more deeply, looking for tight bands of muscle with tender lumps that shoot pain when you're pressing them. Now, they're the trigger points. Now, next, probably the most effective treatment for trigger points, and certainly the most effective you can do yourself, is to use a vibration massager, not a massage gun. Now, I'll link more info about that, but the basic principle is that the vibrations from machines penetrate and dissolve the trigger points. Now, you usually use these over cloth or clothing for hygiene and prevent skin irritation, but I'll do it like this so you can easily see what I'm doing. Now, once you've used the vibration massage a few times, you'll be able to feel when the vibrations hit a trigger point. Then you'll actually feel when the trigger points fade away and the muscle relaxes. Now, what that means is you can slowly move the vibration massager over the muscle. Then when you feel it hit a trigger point, stop the machine and do the treatment. Now, after a while you'll find it much quicker just to move the machine slowly over the whole muscle than to do an examination, find the trigger point, do the treatment and then recheck. Now, also there's a lot of places that I can't reach to properly examine but can easily do with this technique. So that's the 2 ways to find trigger points. You either find them with your fingers or let the vibration massagers find them. Now, once you've found the trigger points, you need to know what to do with them, so I'll link effective techniques. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate, and thank you very much for watching. It has been most appreciated.